Amigo, good morning. Yeah, I'm going, I think, seaside there. I don't know the place, but I know the place. I don't know name of that place. Cutting hair.
You're getting famous now.
Me?
Yeah.
How?
Oh,
Yeah. But I don't think so. They will recognize me. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna also cut my hair today. Yeah, are you free whole day? Are you free whole day?
Yeah.
Okay. When I come back then, okay? Okay. So alright guys. The weather is it's a little bit cloudy. Weather is a little bit cloudy and I'm heading solo ride to seaside. I don't know, like I saw last time there, the place is really cool, and so I want to go there. Now I'm heading there, and keep watching guys. Oh, I can recognize him. Go! All are my friends. Before this road is very narrow, now they are making very wide, and they are constructing over there, looks like, because I can see here vehicles, constructing vehicles. See? Oh, they are making so wide there, you know. You can see the hills is already collapsed. Wow, it's really wide. It really looks cool. I think before it was only 5 meter wide, but now you can see all are my friends. So you can see here also they are making road rapidly, which is really good thing. Amigo, he's my friend. They are making nice wall there because it's too, you know, like there is carving, so it's too danger. So maybe they are going to put after finish the wall, maybe they are going to put those soil or gravel, something like that. Wow. So here is the already cemented, which is really looks damn good. The road before, you know, I think 2-3 weeks before it was here really, you know, gravel and dusty. Now it's really clean there. Here also, wow, you can see. Can see there also. Maybe they're gonna make tomorrow. Here's already dry. I can see here also. It's really cool, this CV. Now here is a really nice road now here. Okay, people are doing something there. I think Tuesday or some, I don't know, I forgot. This area is always like one time or 2 times in a week there is a market. They are selling a lot of things there. I can see here, wow, it's really wide. And here also, it's really wide. I can see the cow there. And which is, I really like, you know, the mahogany tree. Even how much, you know, the sunny day, doesn't matter. Mahogany trees gives us damn shades. Oh, you can see it's blinking. Maybe I have to fill the oil. I'll do later. Oh, you can see there, it's really cool, isn't it? Basketball court. I feel like when I ride here, feel like, you know, I'm riding in Nepal, because you know, Nepal most of the places are something like this. This one is the hill, you know, you can see down there is no nothing, just grass, you know, so deep down. And if you see up, there is, looks like a hill. I'm feeling I'm in Nepal. Here is the blind curve. I have to make slow. Oop, it's really damn blind curve, man. There's gasoline. Oh. Good afternoon. Can I make full tank red? Out of order? Out of stock? Red, I want red. Yeah, okay. Full tank, can I make full tank? Yeah. So, what is the name of this place? Speranza, right? You can make 40? Yeah, 340 I think. So I'm already done. So I'm heading now. I think it looks like the school is half time now, and something program over there. This is the place. It looks nice. I'm gonna park here. This is the cap, multi-cap. Most of the island, in this island, people are using this kind of vehicle. Oh, here is really nice. Maybe we can swim here. Oh, there is fishing boat also. Oh, there are the fishermen. I think they're preparing to go to fishing, I think. So I wanna take a walk over there. Good afternoon. It's really nice here. Now I know here is really nice place now. Maybe I'll come at least one day in a week because I found here really cool place. And here also, what is that? I cliff jump. Oops. See? Wow. Is it really cool? It's really nice place here. I think we can swim here also. I can see the it's not so deep. I can see the ground, and I don't know what is this. This is a square shape. I don't know. This is really nice place, man. Wow. This looks like it's a cliff jump. We can jump from here. Oop. You know? It's alright guys, I'm here at the seaside, so I found here the beautiful girl, you know, Amiga. She's also from where I'm living. And what's your name?
Mian.
Mian, and you?
Jonah.
Jonah, and you?
Kia.
Kia. So they have like break time now of school, so they came just for, you know, like chilling here for some minutes, and maybe they'll go back to school also. So you're feeling good here to chilling. You always come here every day?
No.
No? Only someday?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I really appreciate. Glad to meet you. So the place is really cool here. I didn't know about this one, but you know, I found very cool. So maybe I'll come here at least one time in a week. It's alright guys. It's a little bit hot here, but it's okay. And it's first time here, and it's really glad to meet the people also surrounding. Lots of people over here, and those are students. And I like the place over here, and I enjoy it here a lot. So now I'm heading back to home. And okay, thank you so much.